How to find download history in Google Chrome. In this video, I'll show you how to find your download history in Google Chrome. If you want to view recently downloaded files or quickly locate them on your computer, just follow these simple steps. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu. Then select Downloads. This will open your complete download history. Here, you'll see a list of all the files you've downloaded in Chrome. If you're looking for a specific file, you can scroll through the list or use the search feature if it's available. Files that have been deleted from your computer will appear in gray with a strike through and will be marked as deleted. If the file is still stored on your PC, you'll see the normal entry. To quickly locate a downloaded file, click Show in Folder. Chrome will open File Explorer and highlight the selected file, making it easy to open, move, or manage it. That's all there is to it. You now know how to check your download history and find downloaded files in Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, also be sure to click like, share, and subscribe for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and download management guides.